welcome back to my channel, me so Lisa, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a complete outfit with just a pair of jeans. So I'm just going to put on the pants and mark off the length that I want the skirt to be. Should probably take off my inside pants, but this is going to be a tight skirt, I must say. Okay, that's the best I can do. So I was thinking making the length right here. Good length. So I'm just gonna cut the length that I marked it at right here. Hopefully I can cut in a straight line. If not, we'll just adjust it later. And then next we're gonna cut out the crotch. Next, we're gonna flip it inside out, have the butt pockets on one side and the front on the other side. This is pretty much straight, but we're just gonna cut out the frail. And then we're gonna make this side as straight as possible. So I'm going to sew the edges like I told you earlier, and hopefully it fits. And voila, we got our skirt. Alright, so next I am going to cut the pants open. So we're going to use the ends of the legs as the top half. And I'm just going to get a halter top so I can use that as a reference. Let me just go. I'm gonna use a shirt that I'm wearing right now, so let me just go change it. I just used the other random pieces that we had to make the back part. So I just lined it up to the back and then I cut this extra piece of fabric. So I'm just gonna sew these ends together and then sew this part, and then I'll try it on and then adjust it. And then I'm gonna make this the top a bit smaller by making little triangles and sewing it together like that. So I'm gonna sew it on the edge right here. After that, I'm gonna sew. I realized I didn't actually need this piece here, so I'm gonna take it apart and then sew it together. But first I'm gonna sew the ends, the bottom in, and then I'm gonna sew the top in, and then I'm gonna sew this together last by flipping it inside out, if that makes any sense. Okay, you'll just see me do it. The moment of truth. Place, fit, place, fit, place, fit, and don't explode my movies. Oh, my face is sorry, I didn't want to get my makeup in there. Oh, but I'm getting it on the inside of the shirt. Oh gosh. What the heck is going on? Okay, and the last thing I need to do is make this halter strap for the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a tying one. So I'm just gonna attach two pieces here and then I could just tie it up. So what I did was I just used the leftover of the pant leg and it's just 3 centimeters across and I used as much fabric as I could. There should be more than enough. I tied it around my neck and it seemed good. So I'm just going to cut, I'll show you while I do it. So I'm just gonna cut this out. Cut this out. Sew these together. And then what I'm going to do is you're going to fold it in half. Well, you're going to fold it into a third, and then you basically fold it in, sew it in, and it's a strap. And then I'm gonna attach these two together, cut it in half, and it should be long enough. Yeah. And this is the full outfit. So I got a cute halter top and a nice jean skirt. This is actually really cute. This shirt's cuter than the other jean shirt that I made. This one I'm actually gonna wear out, but I realized I sewed it a bit too close to the edge, so I'm gonna have to re-sew that. Other than that, it is cute. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you're going to convert your own jeans into this outfit. It's so cute and easy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that notification button. Until next time, have a good night and a good life. Peace.